Hi everyone, welcome back. So today is my Lookfantastic February beauty box unboxing, and this month's beauty box is all about Valentine's Day. So it's a really nice pink box which looks like that there. We also get the booklet inside which tells all about the products, and next month's sneak peek is the Madara Wrinkle Smooth Eye Cream, which is that right there, and that's worth £35. So the first thing we get in the box this month is this here from BrushWorks. This is their HD Wonder Complexion Sponge. So it's a nice kind of pink pale shade, and obviously we wet this brush and it'll probably get a little bit softer. But you can use this obviously to apply your liquid foundations. You can also use it to cream contour, because you can use this flat side here to sort of like chisel out the cheekbones. You can also blend out the concealer because it has a nice point there, so you can get right in and blend your concealer out. And you can also bake with it as well, like you just apply setting powder on it and then just apply it to your under eye, or like chisel out your cheekbones and things with setting powder. So yeah, I'm looking forward to testing this out, and this is worth £5.50. Okay, the next thing we get in the box is this little mini lipstick here from Illamasqua. This is the Antimatter Lipstick in the shade Bang, and the Antimatter formula is more like a kind of semi-matte formula. It has a nice kind of creamy texture to it. I actually have the shade Bang on today. Like, I have a full size of the Bang one, so I'm not going to open this one just now. So that's the full size one there, and that's the shade of Bang. So I have it on my lips today, but as you can tell I have a gloss on top, so it's a little bit darker. But it is a really lovely creamy formula. So that's the shade right there. It's a gorgeous shade. I love it, and these are really comfortable to wear, you know, because it is that more like semi-matte formula. It's not like drying or anything on the lips, which is good. Yeah, that's it there, and I have it on my lips today with a gloss on top because I do like a glossy formula. I like how it looks more on camera, so I have like a gloss on top of it, so it slightly changes the colour, like just a little bit. This little mini one is worth £10. I'm sure the full size is about £20. Okay, so the next thing we get inside the box this month, I'm really looking forward to trying out, and it's from Niobe. This is their Origin Gentle Facial Toner. It's an anti-aging toner with raspberry, marshmallow and marigold extracts. So I'm just going to give it a smell. Oh, it smells nice. Yeah, it smells like, I would say, I don't know, like it smells very kind of like essential oil, aromatherapy type of smell, which I actually love for skincare, so I'm really looking forward to giving this a go. It's a 4-in-1 toner with benefits to the skin of removing leftover traces of makeup, toning, soothing and hydrating the complexion. Looking forward to giving this a go. It is 125 ml, which is worth £12.50. Okay, the next thing inside the box is this lip mask from the brand Project Lip, and it's a hydrating, smoothing and collagen infused lip mask, and it says especially designed to target dry, chapped lips. The Project Lip collagen infused hydrogel lip mask hydrates, smooth and plumps all in one. Yeah, looking forward to trying this out. I could be doing with a lip mask right now because the inner part of my lips is super dry. So we just apply this to our lips and lay for 15 to 20 minutes. Really excited to give that a go, and that is worth £3.95. Next thing we have is the eSpa Detoxifying Body Oil. So this is a 15 ml, and I really love eSpa products. I have like a bunch of eSpa, but I don't think I've like got this body oil. I'm not too sure, so it'll be interesting to see how this goes. It says it's a daily body oil that will firm the skin and soothe the muscles. It's blended with aromatic oils of juniper, berry and cypress, and it's worth £5. And then next we have the Filorga Meso Mask, and this is a smoothing hydrating mask. Now, I think I have this already, but I haven't tried it out yet, but I love the sound of it because it does say that it's a radiance mask. And it will brighten your face, it will enhance your skin's natural radiance, it targets the signs of aging and tiredness, and it will leave the skin more plumper with a more even tone. So yeah, really excited to give that a go, and that there is £12.60. Okay, so that is everything inside the Lookfantastic February beauty box, which is the Amore Valentine's edition box, and I actually really like the products that's inside it this month. Like, I'm really looking forward to giving that sponge a go from BrushWorks, this one right here. The lip mask sounds really good. I could be doing with that, like I said. I love that they have a little mini lipstick from Illamasqua in it. The shade Bang is a gorgeous shade. It has been one of my favourites from Illamasqua for a couple of years actually, and the toner from Niobe sounds really good as well. So I'm looking forward to giving these products a go. I would love to know what you think about the box down below in the comment section. I think it's a really good box this month, but I would love to know your thoughts on it. If you're interested in the box, I will leave a link to it down below in the description box for you. I also have a discount code where you can get 10% off your first box for a one-off, or you can get 10% off 6 and 12 month subscription plans. So I will leave the code for that down there, as well as all the info. That's it for this video, guys. I really hope you liked and enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button just down below if you haven't already, and I'll speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye.